I, Kevin, take you, Crystal, to be my wife.
I promise to always be your biggest fan
I promise to always be your biggest fan
and your partner in crime.
and your partner in crime.
I promise to create
I promise to create
and support a family with you
and support a family with you
in a household filled with laughter,
in a household filled with laughter and patience,
understanding, and love.
understanding and love.
I vow not just to grow old together,
I vow not just to grow old together,
but to grow together.
but to grow together.
I will love you faithfully
I will love you faithfully
through the difficult and the easy.
through the difficult and the easy.
What may come,
What may come,
I will always be there.
I will always be there.
Each one believing
Each one believing
that love never dies.
that love never dies.
As I have given you my hand to hold,
As I have given you my hands to hold,
so I give you my life to keep.
so I give you my life to keep.
Crystal, please repeat after me these words to Kevin. I, Crystal, choose you, Kevin,
I, Crystal, choose you, Kevin,
to be no other than yourself,
to be no other than yourself,
loving what I know of you,
loving what I know of you,
trusting what I do not yet know.
trusting what I do not yet know.
I will respect you as an individual,
I will respect you as an individual,
a partner,
a partner,
and an equal.
and an equal.
I promise to laugh with you
I promise to laugh with you
when times are good
when times are good
and endure with you
and endure with you
when they are bad.
when they are bad.
I will always adore,
I will always adore,
honor, and encourage you.
honor, and encourage you.
You are my best friend,
You are my best friend.
and I will love you always.
I will love you always.
May we have the rings, please?
Thanks, Dad.
The ring is a symbol of the unbroken circle of love. Love freely given has no beginning and no end, no giver and no receiver, for each is the giver and each is the receiver. May these rings always remind you of the vows you have taken here today. Kevin, as you place the ring on Crystal's finger, please repeat after me. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my eternal love,
as a symbol of my eternal love,
my everlasting friendship,
my everlasting friendship,
and the promise of all my tomorrows.
and the promise of all my tomorrows.
Crystal, as you place the ring on Kevin's finger, please repeat after me. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my eternal love,
as a symbol of my eternal love,
my everlasting friendship,
my everlasting friendship,
and the promise of all my tomorrows.
and the promise of all my tomorrows.
Most importantly, Kevin, you may now kiss your beautiful bride.
Love you, baby.
Crystal's been a huge part of my life for nearly 15 years, and for 10 and a half of those years I've been a third wheel. When Kevin enlisted my help to propose to Crystal, he told me, "She's not just my girlfriend, she's my best friend." It's too bad that spot's already taken, but if I have to share the title with anyone, I'm glad it's you. Even though you once made Crystal order you a pizza from Connecticut for you in New York. When I was doing my research for this speech, I read that a man only needs to memorize 2 phrases for a happy marriage. Yes, honey, and okay, buy it. But for Kevin, I think these 2 phrases are going to be, let's go out for Italian, and yes, we can keep that kitten. If anyone can make you believe in true love or in high school sweethearts, it's the 2 of you. Chris and Kev, I love you both. I'm incredibly proud to know you, and I'm honored to be a part of this day. I wish you both a lifetime of happiness and best of luck in everything you do. May your marriage be filled with lots of love, Harry Potter, Chicken Farm, and Eagles Super Bowl wins.